Hi everyone, this is Patrick from North52. In this video, I'm going to discuss the advanced fields that are available in the North52 scheduler. In most instances, it would be unlikely that you would need to access these fields, but they do exist if you need them. We start by opening the Happy Birthday schedule we created in the last video. Click on N52 Commands, toggle Advanced View. As you can see, lots more fields have appeared on the schedule. The important fields that we will discuss in this video are the query record limit and the max infinite loop depth. We start with max infinite loop depth. In Dynamics 365, Microsoft has infinite loop detection. If a workflow or process enters an infinite loop, Microsoft will stop it. Loop detection works by analyzing the depth of a system job or plugin. When a workflow starts, we are at a depth of level 1. If that workflow triggers a child workflow, it goes to level 2. That child workflow does some updates on a record, level 3. Those updates fire plugins, level 4, which create new records, level 5, which triggers workflows, level 6, and on it goes. For on-premise Dynamics 365, the out-of-the-box infinite loop detection triggers at level 8. For online, this happens at level 16. If you are using a schedule to trigger a workflow, and your workflow starts failing with warnings about being in an infinite loop, then it is possible you are generating a false positive infinite loop warning. A false positive is where your workflows are carrying out so much work, Microsoft thinks it's becoming a loop. North52 can protect you from false positives through the max infinite loop depth field. As the schedule executes, we can listen into the current depth and then pause the schedule once the depth reaches the value stored in this field. When the schedule pauses, it will wait for 1 hour, which will force Microsoft's infinite loop detection to reset back to 0, and then the schedule will continue on. Please note that it is possible on-premise to use supported PowerShell commands to raise Microsoft's infinite loop detection level. I have included a link on how to do this in the video description. The second field is the query record limit. Let's say your fetch.xml returns 10,000 records. If you trigger 10,000 workflows at once, your Dynamics 365 environment will most likely time out most, if not all, of the workflows, and they will all be in a failed state. With query record limit, we break up the 10,000 records into more manageable sections that we can then process in batches. In this example, we will process 250 happy birthday emails at a time. We will process them until we reach the max infinite loop depth specified in the other field. Then the schedule pauses for an hour before continuing on. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please contact support@north52.com or visit support.north52.com.